Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Sephora VIB sale haul. So the haul was recent and I went a little crazy, okay? Not really with the abundance of things, but getting things a little bit more on the expensive side. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I go to the VIB sale at Sephora, I always buy stuff that's super expensive that I would never buy on a normal basis. So that's kind of what I did today. So with that being said, we're going to start off with the very first item, which is this La Mer, the Soft Fluid Longwear Foundation, and it has SPF 20. So yes, I know what you guys are thinking, this is expensive, I know. But you know what, I had to try it and see what all the hype is about and if it's really super magical or anything, I don't know. And this is in the shade Linen 13. So I got it a little darker because I know it's going to be good for summer, even though this isn't that dark at all, okay? I'm never super dark. But honestly, I think I'm going to do a whole video dedicated just to this product, just so I can show you guys how it works and if it's worth it or not, so you guys don't spend your money on something not worth it. The next item I got is also pretty pricey. It is the Guerlain Paris primer. It's the one with the little gold flecks in it. The only reason why I got this, I'm not gonna lie, is because Tati uses it. I don't know if you guys watch Tati Westbrook. She's my absolute favorite YouTuber, and she uses it and she swears by it. It supposedly firms and lifts your face. Not like I need much, okay? I'm young, I get it. But it also gives intense hydration, and I mean, there's gold flakes in it. I don't know what else to say. But yeah, I'm excited to give this a try. The next thing I got is a collab with Nicole Concilio. I believe that's how you pronounce her last name, I'm not sure. But it's by Smashbox. It is the Photo Finish So Chill Coconut Primer Water. I have the original one, but honestly it smells horrible. I don't know why, I just don't like the smell. So I got the coconut one because I'm obsessed with coconuts and summer's coming up. So yeah, it just looks like this. Even the bottle is a lot prettier. But I love the smell of this one. It's so much better. And I just spray it all day. Ooh, smells so good. The next thing I got is actually a refill, and this is my all-time favorite mascara now. I showed it in my last video, and it does wonders for my lashes. It is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara, and honestly, it makes my lashes so long. So if you like length in your lashes, you'll definitely like this. The next thing I got is moisturizer. Me and my mom share moisturizer, so it runs out pretty quick. So I want to try something new, and my face is super dry all the time. So I got the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream, and this is the box. I'll open it up. I have used it, and it's like a gel cream formula, and it sinks into your skin really fast, so you could touch your skin and it's not tacky. It doesn't feel like there's moisturizer on there, but it does give you a nice glow. The last thing I got, and okay, I did get sucked in. I don't know if it's just me, but I'm obsessed with mermaids. I always have been obsessed with mermaids, not really like the unicorn stuff, like, you know, all the makeup collections with the unicorn stuff. I don't know, it doesn't really get me, but mermaids get to me. I'm obsessed with mermaids. So you know I had to get the Tarte Mer Makeover set. Ooh. It looks like this. Tell me this isn't the cutest thing you've ever seen. I mean, come on. But it comes with a wave spray for your hair. It comes with a sparkle spray you could spray on your body or your hair. And it comes with the mermaid skin, which is a serum. And this whole set was a lot cheaper than buying everything individually, so that's why I bought it. And everything is so cute. I'm excited for the shimmer mist. It looks so pretty. It has like fine little pink sparkles in it, and I think it's gonna look so good in the summer all over your body. So that concludes my haul. I know it wasn't that much, but like I said, when there's the VIB sale, I kind of like to get more expensive things that I wouldn't normally buy if it wasn't on sale. So that's why I chose to get what I got. I will be doing a video with the La Mer foundation, and I also kind of want to do, maybe I'll do the Guerlain primer in that video too, and just show you how it looks on the skin and let you know how it works, and maybe do a wear test or something. But that's it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed and like this relaxed view. This is kind of like where I used to film my old videos, but I kind of like it. I'm just chilling on the couch talking to you guys. I don't know, it feels good. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like if you liked it, and subscribe if you want to see more of me. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.
When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts.